Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O. In today's video, I'll be teaching us how you can use air fryer to grill your fish. And what I'll be doing today is I'll be grilling tilapia fish. If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome. On this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about how to make healthy meal, healthy diet, how to do different DIY life hack that can save you money, how to do different DIY beauty hack to have glow and natural beautiful skin, also how to do different DIY home decoration on budget. Please check out my channel to see a lot of videos that I've done. In today's video, I will be grilling tilapia fish, and I'll be using air fryer to grill this tilapia fish. And here are the couple of ingredients that I'll be using today. I have the 2 tilapia fish, which I'll be grilling. Yay! I have 2 tomatoes, which I'll be using to garnish the tilapia fish. And I will be using olive oil can spray for the fish. And I'll be adding some nut chicken for seasoning and also salt. And the main thing I'll be using to make this grilled fish today is my cook air fryer. So this is actually very good. It's another healthy way for you to grill or to air fry instead of deep frying in vegetable oil. This is good, healthy, and also saves you from getting some cholesterol into your body. So I'll be using this air fryer. So I'll be using this to grill the tilapia fish. And this is how it is. This is the inside of the air fryer that I'll be using. Setting the temperature at 320 degrees, and I'll be doing this grilling for 40 minutes. It's still your girl, Cecelia O. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to mop the fish. You don't have to do this. Just mop it dry. Then I'll go ahead and cut the fish. I did this so that the seasoning can get into the fish. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add the nut chicken. I'm just going to rub this on the fish, the nut chicken, just little. So the next thing, I'll be rubbing the salt to taste. Just pinch of salt. So I'll go ahead and dice my tomatoes, which I'll be using to garnish this fish. You want to dice it very big. So I put this. Side. Fryer. So now I'm just going to put this. I already set the temperature at 320, and I'm doing it for 20 minutes for one side. What I do now is to flip the fish to the other side, and I'm going to grill again for 10 to 15 minutes. So here's the final outcome of the grilled tilapia fish, which I grilled using my air fryer. And I was able to show you in this video a better, healthy way for you to grill your fish without frying in vegetable oil. I hope you like this video, and also please try to share this video so that others out there can gain from this. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and until next time when I come your way, it's your girl, Cecelia O. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I love you all. Bye for now.